Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 9, leçon Y. In this lesson, we'll see together, common expressions that are using the preposition de. Okay, so we can start right now. To need, avoir besoin de, avoir besoin de, avoir besoin de. Okay, and well, I mean, in that situation, it's clear that you will have to conjugate the verb avoir according to the subject. Okay, you can put that at the present tense if you want the future, all the past tenses, and then conditional or subjunctive too. Okay. To want, avoir envie de, avoir envie de, avoir envie de. To be afraid of, avoir peur de, avoir peur de, avoir peur de. To dream of, rêver de, rêver de, rêver de. To talk about, parler de, parler de, parler de. To remember, se souvenir de, se souvenir de, se souvenir de. To be happy about, être heureux de, être heureux de, être heureux de. To be proud of, être fier de, être fier de, être fier de. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.